Welcome back to Moto Nova, where legends never die. They just get faster, louder, and a whole lot better. And today, we've got something that's about to shake every cruiser lover's soul. Because Yamaha just pulled off what nobody expected, the Virago 1100 is making a comeback for 2026. But here's the twist. What's hidden inside this machine might just change the way we look at cruisers forever. Stick with me till the end, because what Yamaha's done in the final reveal will make your jaw drop. Alright, let's start with the looks. The new Virago 1100 is the perfect blend of nostalgia and new age aggression. It still carries that signature low-slung stance that made the original a 90s icon. But now it's sharper, sleeker, and meaner. Think of it as a muscle cruiser that's been through boot camp. Full LED lighting, a sculpted fuel tank with deep chrome reflections, and that unmistakable V-twin heart exposed proudly in the open. It's not just a bike, it's a statement rolling down the street. And then there's the engine. Yamaha's new 1,100 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin that roars with authority but runs smoother than ever. It's built for torque, not just numbers. When you twist that throttle, you don't get a mechanical response, you get thunder. It's the kind of power that makes you grin inside your helmet every single time you ride. But Yamaha didn't stop there. They added something that no Virago before it ever had: adaptive ride control. Whether you're cruising down the city or leaning into a country road, the bike adjusts suspension and throttle sensitivity automatically. It feels like the Virago reads your mind, and that's no exaggeration. Inside the cockpit, the upgrade is just as impressive. A full TFT digital display, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and a reworked seating position that's built for comfort on long rides. The leather saddle has that premium retro vibe, but the ergonomics are pure modern precision. It's clear Yamaha wanted to make this not just a bike for the weekend, but something you'd actually want to live on. Now, about pricing. Early talk places the 2026 Virago 1100 somewhere around $14,000 to $15,000, depending on trims and accessories. That's not cheap, but considering the craftsmanship, performance, and nostalgia packed into this machine, it might be Yamaha's smartest move in years. Compared to the old Virago, which was raw and rebellious, the new one feels like a refined outlaw, still dangerous, still powerful, but with a touch of modern class. And now the part one told you to wait for. Yamaha has hinted that a special Heritage Edition of the 2026 Virago might be coming, complete with the original 1990s style paint job and limited production numbers, only a few hundred units. So, if you ever dreamed of owning a piece of motorcycle history reborn in the future, this might be your moment. So what do you think? Did Yamaha just bring back the Cruiser King in style? Or should the Virago have stayed a legend of the past? Let me know your thoughts below, because this one's going to start some serious debates.